Pachystaches lutea is a tropical, soft-stemmed, broadleaf evergreen shrub in the acanthus family. The genus name comes from the Greek words pachys meaning thick and stachys meaning ear of corn or spike in reference to the dense flower clusters. It is also known as golden shrimp plant, golden candle plant or lollipop plant. It is native to lowland areas of Central and South America from El Salvador to Peru. Golden shrimp plant is winter hardy in USDA zones 10 to 11. It can grow to about 5 feet tall and 3 feet wide when planted in the ground. But it grows much shorter when grown in containers. The lance-shaped, dark green leaves are heavily veined which contrast with the bright yellow bracts. This plant blooms in spring and summer and the white, tubular flowers protrude from the showy bracts. The yellow bracts slightly resemble the overlapping shell of a shrimp, hence the name golden shrimp plant. In tropical and subtropical areas, it is popularly grown as landscape plants. In colder regions, it is grown as a flowering houseplant, or treated as a seasonal annual during the summer months. It is related to Justicia brandagina, which is also known as the Mexican shrimp plant. Golden shrimp plant is easily grown in moist, nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Use regular potting mix for plants grown indoors. Choose a site that gets full sun when planting in the ground. As a houseplant, it should be placed in a spot that is warm, humid and gets bright, direct sunlight. Water golden shrimp plant regularly to keep the soil moist but not overly wet. Keep the plants evenly moist when in bloom. Spray the plants with mist to increase humidity. Water indoor plants sparingly during winter, and resume regular watering in spring. Do not let the plant go completely dry as this will result in leaf drop. Avoid overhead watering because the flower bracts can rot when they get too wet. Feed golden shrimp plant regularly during spring and summer with a balanced granular fertilizer. This will encourage more blooms. Deadhead spent bracts to encourage more blooms and bushy growth. The plant will get leggy and top-heavy over time. Consider pruning the plant heavily to maintain a reasonable size. Container-grown plants should be repotted every 2 years. Golden shrimp plant grown indoors may be susceptible to aphids, spider mites and mealybugs. They can be removed with cotton swabs dipped in rubbing alcohol. They can be eliminated by using horticultural insecticide spray or neem oil. Golden shrimp plant can be propagated from stem cuttings. Take 4 to 6 inch long stems and dip it in rooting hormone. Plant them directly in a small pot with fresh potting mix. Make sure each stem has at least 4 leaves. It may take up to 2 months for the stem to take root. Golden shrimp plants are very easy to grow. And they can bloom all year round as a houseplant if given the ideal conditions to grow. Thank you for watching.